Hello and welcome back to another fun-filled episode of my action figure collection.
Welcome to Dr. Twisted's Realm of Madness.
This time it's for Thundercats. Great series. One of my favorite cartoons growing up as a kid. Always used to rush home from school so I could catch it. I have the very rare Thundercats Ram-Pagers The Stinger. It's an awesome figure. Let's get close up here. Pull the trigger to make the Stinger's 6 super wings flap as he strikes from the sky and swoops into battle. I don't know which is rare, but every time I see this figure, it's always in a different language. And the one I have is the English version. So usually this collect them all is in some other language. Which I don't know which is rarer, but I think the one that I have is. Here's his action features. Place finger on trigger. Squeeze trigger to activate wings. Separate legs and tail to stand figure up. The elusive Mad Bubbler. Love to have him. A little backstory that you can pause and read if you would like. Now onto the description of the card. Looks like there's a little bending there, some definite edge wear. Just a little tear there, not bad. A couple creases, some edge wear. Another little bit of bending. Some more edge wear, a little bit of bending. Well, here's the back of the card, looks great. Front of the card, you can see where the bending, edge wear, some more serious edge wear there. Little creases here and there. This is the worst part of the card. Starting to separate a little bit on the corner. And there's some stress marks. A little bit of bending on that side. The bubble is in amazing shape. The figure is in amazing shape because it has never been removed. And there you have it. There's the Stinger, bad bug-like battler.